We just spent a lot of money. So we are headed to Jacksonville, Florida so that we can pick up some new van parts from FreedomVanGo. We are going camping this weekend, but before we do that, we are going to install our swivel seats that we recently purchased from Alpine Mechanism. And if you are new here, my name is Joanna, and me and my husband Billy are currently renovating this Sprinter van into a tiny home.
Can't really see, but it's the grounding cable. Disconnected. So we don't have the fancy socket for the whatever that is, but a 3/8 socket fits on it.
We went with Alpine Mechanism swivel seats after seeing them on Mathers on the Map's YouTube channel, and we realized that they seemed like the best quality, especially since they were the lowest profile at only being 1/2 inch, so it doesn't have to add a huge lift to your chair, which can make the seat uncomfortable.
Don't tighten them all the way because we need to have play. Because they're not perfectly lined up, and leave it loose. Now we're going to cut these little nipples off. Ooh, hot. Filter light. King the castle.
After installing the passenger side, we simply did the same exact thing on the driver's side, which is when we realized that these swivels are reversible, and here Billy is actually installing it upside down. We quickly realized this when the seat was unable to spin all the way around, but it was luckily a simple fix. Built van, and we're on our way, and we are going camping tonight. We ended up doing a, what is it called? Hip camp, where people can rent out, if they have land, you can camp on their property. It's supposed to be an organic farm, which I picked. We're at our hip camp. We have our dinner heating up in this device called a Hot Logic, which I've never used. Turns out they take a while to heat up food. So we're enjoying this nice campfire that Billy made. And tomorrow, hopefully, we'll get a nice tour of the organic farm. Still cold. It's warm. We're gonna have taco bowls. This is van life in a half-built van. We have a toilet and coolers. Got our trash bag. We have lights. And we don't have a way to clean our dishes. But we do have a way to make food. Just takes a while. It is a heated lunchbox that kind of cooks like a slow cooker. But I guess it works. Till we have a stove. Got a parking spot at Jacksonville Beach. We're hanging out in the, I don't even know what kind of fast food that is, but we're hanging out in the fast food parking lot. About to eat lunch. Had some refreshing pineapple.
Get a lot of rain lately?
We did. We got about 2 inches.
Tim gave us a full tour of Eden Gardens Farm, as well as all the plans that they have for the future vision. This farm is owned by a nonprofit organization that helps the community by teaching others how to grow their own food. Their goal is to be able to feed 1,000 mouths a day by the year 2030 and have a fully built campground and a tiny home village on this spring-fed lake.
We use plants for herbal pesticides and things like that. We do for the neighborhoods. People just coming by, there's a $5 donation for whatever you want. This end is our aquaponics training center. We've got 5 different systems, different sizes in there that people can build in their backyard. This is all organic gardening here. It's called hugelkultur, Hegelkultur. It's a German word that means large fertile mound.
Oh.
There's dead wood and trenches underneath that soaks up the water and holds it. It wicks the water. The better ones, they're easier to grab. There are also mulberries back here, and it alerts the chickens to go into the coop and hide for predators.
The one thing about having a van is you can eat wherever you feel like it, like outside of a concert venue.
Hurry, and you ain't ever gotta worry. Even when it's 7:30 and the time is running low, and when your heart turn cold, see what behind all them unturned stones. And I'm a pro when it comes to my job. between the love that we seek and the love that's already there. And let this soften my soul and focus my stare.
So we finally landed at FreedomVanGo, the van parts warehouse located in Jacksonville, Florida. This is the second time we visited here, and everyone there is super helpful and knowledgeable, and we definitely recommend working with them. During this trip, we ended up picking up a spare tire carrier, a 47-gallon gas tank, and another window we're adding to the van, as well as side steps from our vans. Building a van. Of course we started a YouTube channel.